Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2. Charge both earbuds and the case to at least 20% so resets complete reliably. Once done, disable Bluetooth on other nearby phones or laptops to prevent accidental reconnection. Open the charging case and press and hold the multifunction power button for about 4 to 6 seconds until the LED flashes white. This forces the earbuds into pairing mode, which is the first actionable step to reset their connection state and clear most software hiccups. Next, perform the factory reset sequence. While the LED is flashing white, press and hold both the volume button and the power/multifunction button together for 8 to 10 seconds. You should see the LED change. Blink amber, then return to white. This indicates the internal settings are being erased and firmware state is refreshed. Release both buttons and keep the buds in the case. Allow them to reboot undisturbed for 30 to 60 seconds so they can reinitialize hardware and wireless stacks properly. Finally, repair the Bullets Wireless Z2. Remove the earbuds from the case, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and select Bullets Z2 from the list to connect. If pairing fails, make sure to forget the device from your phone's Bluetooth list and attempt pairing again. This removes old profiles that can block a fresh connection. If issues persist after retrying, update the earbuds firmware using the OnePlus Hey Melody or Support app, or contact support. This resolves rare firmware-level faults and hardware checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.